All right, so let's say if we want to make any changes on this repository that we have created. Let's say we do want to add a README file. We go as we do in a normal environment, Windows environment. We can create a new text document. Let's call it README, and let's put it README .md. The extension is going to be Markdown. So we click on that, we get this warning because we're changing the extension. Now if you don't see the extension, you can go to the Start menu, File Explorer Options. We click on that and we go to the View tab and we go to the hide extensions for known file types. If you don't see the extensions of the files, you can click uncheck this one and hit apply and OK. You're going to see the extension. So you can create here the readme.md file. Now right now is empty. We're going to edit this in just a moment, but let's create another file, and let's say it's not a coding document. Let's say a Microsoft Word document. We can simply create that, and let's say we'll keep the name as it is. And now we do have those files locally, but we don't have them here on the repository. Let me show you. If we refresh, it's not going to show anything here. We still have the license. Now to get those files online on the GitHub repository, to push them, we go to GitHub Desktop, and we're going to press on Fetch Origin. Actually, it's already fetched, but just in case. Now we do have here the README file and a plus sign. That means that it's a new file that was just created, and the new Microsoft document file as well. Now let's push those files to GitHub, to our repository. And let's say here on the commit message, we do have to include, again, with any change that we're making on our repository, we have to include a message, something to tell the user or tell anyone who's looking at the repository what happened, what change has happened. Let's say here that we're testing push. We're testing how to push files to the main repository. Let's go to commit to main. Now we do have this message. Now the files are committed, but it's not pushed to GitHub yet. Let's go ahead and push them by clicking on push origin. Now it's fetching. Just wait a minute, and that's all done. Now if you go back to your repository and hit refresh, it's going to show that we do have the new Microsoft Word document and the readme.md. Now, and here the commit message, which is testing push. Now let's go back and remove this new Microsoft Word document, because we're not gonna need it, but we're going to need the readme file. So let's go back to our repository, and we do have here a green tick mark on all of them. Let's go ahead and just delete this new Word document and go back to GitHub, and we do have here a minus sign, which means that it's deleted. And we do have here a default commit message which says delete new Microsoft Word document. We're not going to change that. Let's commit that to the main branch and push the origin. Alright, and let's go back here, and we're going to be able to see the changes, which is, yeah, we have removed the document, the new Microsoft Word document. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code in the next part and connect Visual Studio Code to our repository so we can make changes from there.